Welcome to our video on verified influencer emails for direct outreach and brand collaborations. Stop chasing DMs that go nowhere. Get verified influencer email lists that drive real replies, real deals, and real ROI fast. Your current outreach might be broken for several reasons. DMs often get ignored in flooded inboxes. Contact forms go nowhere, managed by assistants, or simply never checked. Furthermore, traditional agencies can drain your budget with thousands in fees before a single deal is closed. The solution is direct email outreach. Email is professional, personal, and gets replies. We find verified, accurate influencer emails for you, saving you hours of research. It's professional, personal, and consistently outperforms social DMs in reply rates. Every list is delivered as an organized Google Sheet or Excel file, ready to import into any outreach tool. Each row includes the influencer's name and profile link, niche, follower count, verified business email, website, country, language, and verification status. Most importantly, you get only valid deliverable contacts. We cover every major platform and niche. This includes YouTube creators, Instagram influencers in lifestyle and beauty, viral TikTok creators, and professional thought leaders on Twitter/X and LinkedIn. The process from brief to verified list takes just 5 steps. Share requirements, research and build, extract emails, verify emails, and deliver the clean list. Turnaround is fast, and every email is verified before delivery, so you can launch your outreach campaign immediately. This service is built for e-commerce brands looking to drive product sales, marketing agencies scaling outreach for clients, startup founders building brand awareness efficiently, and SaaS companies reaching tech creators for sponsored content. Our clients achieve real results. A fitness brand received 143 replies and landed 31 deals. A SaaS company secured 12 YouTube sponsorships in 3 weeks. A fashion brand partnered with 25 micro-influencers and tripled website traffic. Real businesses, real results, real ROI. Compared to social DMs and agencies, verified email outreach offers higher reply rates, lands in a professional inbox, and gives you full control without agency dependency. It's also affordable and scalable, powering dozens of campaigns with one list. Ready to start your outreach campaign? The process is simple. First, visit the service page linked in the description to submit your requirements. Next, share your niche, target audience, and location details. Finally, receive your 100% verified list, ready to launch your campaign. Pricing is affordable, and turnaround is fast.